Hello everyone, welcome back to Parking. This is one of Ruga's fans who came out last night to watch Ruga perform at London. Now, this girl literally went extreme. She brought out the cardboard which she boldly wrote some stuff she wanted Ruga to do for him. And luckily for her, she had a way to pass that directly to Ruga. And yes, Ruga is finally reading this she wrote, and believe me guys, this is not what you think it is. Come to think of it, she must have been in a relationship with someone else, and here she is trying to throw or through her chance or take a chance at Ruga, who's an Afrobeat celebrity, a popular Afrobeat singer from Africa, right? So Ruga is already, Ruga is already in surprise. He just doesn't really know what to do at the moment. But yes, you will fully see his reaction after you subscribe to the channel. Get subscribed to the channel. Stay tuned, and love always. More love, less ego. That's from Whiskey. Celebrate love, happiness, and enjoy with your family. And let me know in the comment section what you would do if you were Ruga. But before then, let's watch Ruga's reaction.
Because so you can read that out.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, she wants a gangster in her bed tonight.
Yeah.
I am she.
Yeah.
I don't like sleeping alone. Come home with me. Clap my ass on my marble floors. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh shit, this one is hard.
Yeah.
Jam me to full extent. Let me experience full wetness. Oh my God. Hey, you are not done. Till I put it on you. Jesus Christ. I will bring you something wetter than tsunami.
And then the Ugandans brought you there.
Oh my God, Uganda! Uganda, my first love. Oh my God!
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've been to Oslo, we've been to Germany, we've been to Rome, Italy. This is the final stop of the Europe tour. Everybody in the room, please make some healthy noise.
Yes.
For the hurricane! Woo!